Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how we can use alter statement. Before going ahead, let's select our database. After that, let's see our data, with the help of select and from statement. So this blue line shows our present data. Now suppose, I want to add two columns here, one is courses, and second is experience. We will add columns one by one. So remove the previous line. Then write query, alter, table. Your table name. Now use add keyword, at last define your column description. According to me, the length should be at most 100, and it can be null value. You can see, it is successfully executed. Now let's see our data. You will observe, the courses column is added here. Our first column is added, now it's time to add our experience column. Repeat the steps again, but change the column name, and change the properties. Now just execute it. Let's check the data again. Okay, so our column is added. Let's do one more question, how we can delete column with alter command. Let's delete experience column. Just write alter table, and your table name. But this time we want to delete, then use drop keyword, then define your column name. Then just execute it. Okay, so let's see our data. You will observe column is deleted. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.